How are you all? Today I'm gonna show some of the tips and tricks again, and there's a part 2. So let's start off. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna focus on editing first. Some of the people, even if you have seen on Facebook, just are not able to edit their videos perfectly and do not give the shape of perfection to their videos. To give perfection, the shape of perfection to your videos, you should include some perfect software editing, and for it I'm gonna show you some softwares. First of the software which obviously I use is Filmora Screen, SCRN, and here you see you can download it from here, free download, trial version, and you can also buy it as well. Okay, let's quit this window. Tools for edit. Tools for editing are always shown in the software, and you can easily grab some tutorials out there on YouTube, and there are some good ones, and pick them up and learn from it. Good skill. This one. Well, when you're uploading a video to YouTube, you need a really good skill, and yeah, most of the people do not have that. You see here why people get these kind of views: 2.7 million, 464k, 8.8 million here, 3.3 millions, 2.2 millions. Okay. So you know, the key feature is to always just like edit your videos, like do it professionally, and when you have a skill at it, just and when you will have a skill at it, it will be best, trust me. But if you don't have, just as I say, pick some videos from YouTube and learn it. Okay, we're gonna go for the next point: PC requirement. Well, this one is for gaming. When you are having a gaming channel and you are uploading videos about gaming channels and things like that, so you need a great PC requirement. Here I'm gonna show you my PC requirement. See how long it's gonna take. Okay, here we are. Core i5 3320M CPU. That's 8 GB RAM and 64-bit operating system. Looks like we have the music stop. Play it again. Okay, so these these kind of properties are kind of suitable for a gaming PC. Well, these are medium specs, and yeah, I need a graphics card. I don't have it, so go on to the market and grab a graphics card. But be sure to be specific while purchasing the graphics card. Okay, let's go for that one. Promoting your video for free. Well, when the free word comes, everyone is in. Well, I'm gonna tell you how we can do that. Search for Blogger. It's a kind of a blog website which you can in which you can create your own blog, and just kind of, it is awesome, and you can easily show ads on it, and you can easily write articles and just advertise your channel about gaming and stuff like that. And you can, it is not specific to gaming, actually it is specific to all kind of things. And yeah, you can post ads, and you can even monetize from that. But you cannot monetize, you cannot earn money from writing blogs, but you can earn from posting ads, and you can also give a link to the gateway of your YouTube videos. You know, that's kind of awesome, you know? Okay, going for the next point: adding intros and outros. You may be knowing it, but I'm gonna show two websites to you, naming Render Forest. These ones are now the most famous today. Another one henzoid.com. Can also make intro from here. They have kind of 3D intros. And yeah, make sure to edit it before you merge the file into the video. Let's grab on to the next one. Trying to be specific. Well, this one is most of the YouTubers don't have. They just start their video and bluff in almost like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to just elongate their video and earn money. If you know what is professionality in YouTube videos, then you should not have these kind of elongated videos. You should be specific all the time. Always like when having the title of the video like high graphic gamers versus low graphic gamers. You should be speaking about your graphics only, not that hi, my name is dad, okay, subscribe me, like the video. No, not that. Just be specific. But you can add these lines of subscription and likes. That doesn't matter at all. Okay, on to the next point. Uploading video constantly. Well, that's one of the points I like to tell you. Uploading video constantly is kind of, you should do always. And I know YouTubers who upload videos like 3 in a day, 5 in a day always. And yeah, look, these guys like upload videos too much. And if you're gonna work hard and as well, you're gonna get views and subscriptions, and it's gonna be awesome, right? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe me and hit the like button on the video. That's all. Thank you, and that's all from my side.